What's up, everybody? This might be one of the most important sketch lessons you've ever learned, at least for some of you. Let's go ahead and open Sketch, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and click New Document. Okay, so you've got Sketch open, you're about to start a project. Main thing you want to do, come up here to File, and click Save. Save your work, give it a name, stick it in a folder, and while you're working, continue to hit Command S and save your work throughout the process. It's one of the hardest lessons you'll ever learn. If you lose what you've been working on for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or you haven't saved at all and Sketch crashes for some odd reason. You don't want that to happen, so be sure to save and save often. That's it. Thanks for watching.